Passive treatment is not a standalone solution. To function effectively, it must work hand in hand with a robust system of non-chemical best management practices, or BMPs. Proper use of non-chemical BMPs benefits passive treatment by keeping the passive treatment zone free of excess sediment, improving the function of the treatment area, and supporting the collection of flocculated sediment in the floc capture area. The passive treatment zone can be understood in three functional areas: the upgradient area, the treatment area, and the floc capture area. The upgradient area is where erosion and sediment control BMPs do the heavy lifting to protect the system. This includes practices like slope stabilization, fiber rolls, silt fences, and erosion control blankets. These BMPs prevent large volumes of sediment from entering the treatment zone. If too much sediment is allowed in, it can overwhelm or bury flocculants, reducing their effectiveness or rendering them useless. In the treatment area, flocculants are introduced. Here, chemical reactions occur as the flocculants dissolve and bind with fine suspended sediment, forming heavier flocks that can settle or be filtered out downstream. The effectiveness of this process depends heavily on adequate mixing and reaction time. Non-chemical BMPs like channel linings, natural fiber matting, and well-placed check dams improve performance by slowing the flow and increasing contact time between the chemical and the suspended solids. These BMPs also help prevent channel erosion, which can reintroduce sediment and reduce treatment efficiency. Finally, in the floc capture area, we need to remove the flocks that have formed during treatment. This is where non-chemical BMPs like sediment traps, basins, wattles, and velocity dissipation devices come into play. These measures help slow the flow and provide the time and space needed for flocks to settle out before the water leaves the site. These BMPs aren't just recommended, they're required under the permit and essential for making the entire system work. Non-chemical BMPs are not just a supplement, they are a critical part of every phase of passive treatment. When implemented correctly, they help ensure compliance, protect receiving waters, and make passive treatment systems truly effective and reliable,